with another video. I know you guys, I've been going through a lot with my body right now. My legs have been hurting me. It's been over a week, so I haven't really done anything. So as you can see, my kitchen is a mess. Not only is it a mess, you can see we had to get new appliances, which is a new microwave here. I'll show you in the video as well how we installed some of it. But it's been a wreck, so I got to get this kitchen cleaned up. Like I said, I've been having problems with my legs and my knees, so I don't know how much I'm going to do, but I got to get this job done. And I hope that you guys will be motivated with this video by giving this video a thumbs up, showing me that you have enjoyed it. And if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to join the family. Also, guys, please turn on your post notification. So every time I upload a video, you'll get an alert, okay? So I'm going to get right into this video. I'm not going to do too much of talking because I want to get this job done. And you guys know, as a content creator, it is a lot to go behind the scenes, you know, a lot of cutting, a lot of angles and trying to give you this and that. So guys, hopefully I'll give you that today. If not, please just enjoy the video anyway. Alright, so let's just get right into this video. Alright guys, so the old microwave is down. We are trying to put up the new one there. So I have my hubby there. And who's that? My assistant! I need coffee. Yes! So here's the brand new microwave that we're gonna be doing. When I said this was hard putting that stuff up. I mean taking it down. So guys, we'll show you after we're done or when they put it up. So guys, make sure. Here, hold it.
Bro, I'm focusing on the light. This is an important job. Look at me. This is important. You're pushing me.
Alright guys, make sure you have all lights off before you do any electrical job. Oh, turn off the power.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down.
just wrapped up the video. I know I didn't put down my fall decoration at this moment, but maybe I'll put it in after I take a rest because my legs are hurting me so bad right now. But I hope that you guys have been motivated and enjoyed this video so far by giving it a thumbs up. That will let me know that if you guys enjoyed it or not. And please let me know if you want to see any other content on my channel by leaving a suggestion down the bottom in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. And also, guys, please turn on your post notification bell by hitting that bell symbol. That way you'll get an alert every time I upload a new video. And I believe that's all I needed to say on this part so far. But thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. You guys are helping me to grow my channel. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I know 600 ain't a big deal, but it's a big deal to me, and I'm so close there. So please share this video with everyone. Until the next video, guys, I will see you. Alright guys, here are a few of the items that I'll be using in the kitchen. And I did found some of my old ones, which I'm happy. I have my runner here. That's my runner there. And a few more pumpkins. So I'm going to try to get started with a few of these things. I want to put it over there on that little board. So hopefully I can do that. Okay, let's see how it's going to look. I think it might look okay. Just a second. First thing we're gonna do is spray the area. Get rid of any grease or oil that's there. Make sure it's completely dry. I'm gonna use the command hooks here. We're gonna take the other piece. Try to get it high as I can up here. Push down for a couple of seconds. Okay. Snap off the stickers and things. $5 at Target. Oh! Duh. I didn't know that sits like this to swing. Know that. That is adorable. So I put it here. Oh well. Didn't know that. So it looks adorable. Let's see what my dog is barking at. We have the runner here. It's symbolized for fall. And we're gonna put that on this table here. didn't want to do too much there. So we still have this little spot here, which I probably would add a few of these pumpkins here. Again, like I said, I did not want a lot. And the rest I will put in the living room. So guys, I hope that you like it so far. I do. I didn't want to put a lot, like I said. There you have it. There's there. And I'm gonna light my candle. And just enjoy the kitchen. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to this channel. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If so, give it a thumbs up and please share this video with everyone. I would love for you to join the family also. That would help me to grow my channel. I really appreciate it. I'm trying my best. The greatest content to you guys on a low budget because it is tough and it is hard, but I'm doing it. And because of you guys, thank you so much. Keep me in your prayers as I keep you in my prayers as well. Until the next video, peace out. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.